Hi people! In this video we are going to learn how to install Revit for free by getting a student license from the Autodesk website. So I will show you all the steps you need to do, and this was done in 2026. The easiest way to access the Autodesk website to get a student license is using this link, which you can find in the description of this video. Now I'm going to find Revit and click and select. In the next page, you have to choose your subscription plan if you are a student, an educator, or an administrator at a qualified educational institution. This includes most recognized universities and colleges in the world. So let's go for student and here continue. In the first part, I have to insert my email address and here again to confirm it. I need to agree with the Autodesk privacy statement and continue. Then I have to sign in with my account or create one if I don't have an Autodesk account yet. Then the password and sign in. So the customer details are done. Next, you have to add your school information. First, the address, and then the name of the institution. And if your school has an agreement with Autodesk, you should find your school there. Click on it, type the school website, and finally you should also see a blank for enter your graduation date. Tick this box and continue. And now I have to confirm the eligibility using my institution credentials, and this step is mandatory for getting the license. Once you log in, you will get to this screen where you should upload a document from your institution with your full legal name, the name of your school, and a date within the current school term. Finally, click on Submit. After, you should get a confirmation mail in your email inbox saying you have got your education access. Usually it's at the moment, but it can take a maximum of 48 hours to receive it. Finally, you can click on Get Products and you will be directed to the website in the same place where you've been before. Then select Revit. Here click on Access Products. And let's find the Revit installation part here. You can click on Install and then Accept. And now you can download the installation file in your computer. Finally, just proceed with the normal installation, which I will skip in this tutorial. I believe you shouldn't have any problems. And at the end, you just have to log in with your account. So that's all in this video. If you are interested in learning Revit from the beginning, I have a complete course in the platform Udemy, as well as another one in AutoCAD. If you join it, you will have free access forever. There aren't distraction ads, and you can find exercise files to practice in some lectures. So you can find the links below in the description and check out the list of contents and the preview lectures. So it's everything. See you in the next time.